day here at the Gold Coast. So, ang itinerary natin today, first of all, is the movie world.
The movie world.
Yeah. So, papakita namin sa inyo yung mga bagay
nice.
Na pwede nyong gawin sa movie world. So, hindi mo na ako ganun katapang para sakyan ko lahat ng rides. Pero, pipilitin natin na i-try lahat yun ni Chate.
Pagiging boring ako, guys. Solo lang ako.
No.
Wala akong katabi.
So, ayan guys, we're walking na papunta dun sa tram station kung saan tayo sasakay ng isa.
Mga
then
5 minutes lang lalakad yun.
Oo, then bababa ulit tayo, sasakay naman tayo ng bus, I think.
Bus na siya.
So, ayun. Sa Helensville tayo bababa doon sa tram. Then, doon na rin tayo sasakay papunta mismo sa movie world.
Dulo kasi yun yung Helensville.
Yeah. I'm so excited! Kahit hindi ako sasakay sa rides. Gusto ko lang siyang makita at ma-experience kung anong meron doon sa movie world. Chade. Helensville. Okay. Let's wait for the bus naman. It's 8:59 yung bus. So we're going to ride a bus, TX7, going to movie world.
Yes. Yes. Not a problem.
Thank you. Tap your card. My card.
Yeah.
If you're going to movie world, Dream World, or Wet n Wild, you will ride the bus TX7.
Just find the TX7 bus.
And you can always ask. It's free to ask.
Yeah. Mababait naman yung mga tao.
Syempre, close pa siya. The gates will open around 9:30 AM, pero the rides will open at 10 AM. Yeah. So, ayun. Pag nakapasok ka, don't forget to organize your, what app is that? Village Roadshow app. So, dun sa app na yon, makikita nyo kung gaano katagal yung mga queue per ride, kung ano yung mga show na ipapalabas, kung anong oras at saan. So, very helpful yung app. Mamaya, pakita namin sa inyo yung app. So, look at this. So, may harang pa yung gate. It will open around 9:30 AM. So, pag nag-open siya, pwede nyong ayusin yung app nyo, pwede kayo mag-take ng picture para i-enjoy nyo na lang yung ride later on. Okay, so before the gate open, what do you expect inside the movie world?
Nakakakaba. Ayun no, hanggang labas yung roller coaster.
Yun yung gusto niyang sakyan, yung DC Rivals, Hypercoaster. Yep.
Hanggang doon sa may karsada, tapos hanggang dito.
Yan kasi yung longest hypercoaster here in Southern Hemisphere.
Pinakamahaba at pinakamabilis sa buong Southern Hemisphere.
Yep. We're not sure if sa buong mundo kaya sure lang kami na siya yung pinaka mahaba and mabilis dito sa Southern Hemisphere.
Siguro merong mas mabilis dyan at mas mahaba sa Northern Hemisphere.
Or we're not really sure. Ayan guys, they're doing a trial. Before they operate, they always do a trial. Okay. And the gates are now open. They're trying the DC Rivals Hypercoaster now. See that? Oh my god. Shoot. We're going to enter. It's 10 a.m. So, as an update for now, they are opening the gates at exactly 10 a.m. Just scan your tickets. Thank you.
Hey guys.
We're already here. Okay.
Let's go.
So the first one we need to take. Okay, we still need to stop here. Go, go, go! So this is the first thing we will try, the DC Rivals Hyper Coaster. See Richard, he's running. He's so excited to try the Hyper Coaster. He's still running. He's running because he wants to sit in front. I told him that it's very scary, but he wants to sit in front. And by the way, he's the only one who's going to ride in the Hyper Coaster because I can't do it. I will be sick after then. So, oh my God, I'm so nervous for him. So this is the DC Rivals Hyper Coaster. So that's Richard. He's already inside. You can do it. So madami namang nagra-rides ng solo lang. Pero ayaw talaga nila ng may katabi yung iba. So ayan, he's sitting sa second row. Oh my God! So later on, let's see his reaction. Bawal kasi ako dun sa pinakaloob, kaya nandito lang ako sa may labas. So konti pa nga lang pala yung nagre-rides. Inuna talaga namin to kasi ito lagi yung may pinakamahabang pila based on the vlogs. So let's just wait, Richard. Solo flight. So ayan guys, nag-start na yung Hyper Coaster. So hindi ko na alam kung nasan si Chade. And hindi ko na na-video. Oh, ayun! Nandun sila sa kabila! Oh my God! So it's very long. So later on, let's ask him. Tanungin natin siya kung ano yung feeling ng sumakay sa Hyper Coaster. Grabe! This, the length of this ride is about 1.4 kilometers. So imagine that. Oh my God! My flips, my turns, and then there's also 89 degree drop. Imagine that. Bilis! It's already done. Andiyan na sila. Pabalik na. Tingnan natin yung tsura ni Chan. Oh my God! It's just 2 minutes! Napakabilis! 1.4 kilometers! For 2 minutes! How was it?
Saya. So,
Oh, really?
Oo, kaya mo, Mi. Kayang-kaya.
No. I don't want to.
Unang andar kami agad.
So, Richard is already done dun sa Hyper Coaster.
Pinaka-aabangan.
Yeah, so, yun yung
Saya.
pinakasikat na Hyper Coaster. Now, we're going to try the Batwing.
Sasakay na siya.
Ayoko talaga. Batwing Space
Dita,
Shot.
ayun, no?
Okay, tingnan nyo. So, ayan guys yung Batwing Space Shot. Para siyang, extreme ng EK. Mahaba na din yung line, pero hindi pa naman siya ganon kahaba. So, pinapaandar nila kahit hindi puno. Oh, shoot! Tapos pababalik-balikin ka. Alright, so Richard is over there at the back. Pati lalaki na papasigaw. Oh no. Richard is just laughing. I hate him.
It goes so fast. When you get to the top and drop down, your bum comes out.
How was it?
Saya. Parang lumipad.
Yeah, it's a space shot.
Matras
So ayan guys, Richard already rode the Batwing space shot. So, nakasakay na rin ako kanina. Pero, grabe. Alam niyo yun, nailak na nila. Pero, grabe kasi yung kaba ko. Parang aatakihin ako sa puso. Kaya sabi ko, tumawag ka ng tao, bababa ako. Tapos, yun pala, kapag may gustong bumaba, uulitin. Tatanggalin nila lahat ng lock.
Kasi ano na yun eh.
Eh, nasabi ko na nabababa ako. So, hindi ko na inatras. Nakakaya. Tapos ayun, nagsakay sila ng bago. Then, yun. It started. Pero narinig nyo, kahit lalaki, sumigaw.
Kita ba ako?
Hindi masyado kasi nandun ka sa likod. Pero nakita naman nila yung galawan ng Batwing space shot. So, 1 to 10, rate the Batwing.
10. Parang lumipad.
How about the DC Rivals Hypercoaster?
10 din. Oo nga. Totoo. Mga extreme yung mga rides.
Nakadalawang rides na siya pero parang hindi pa bumabaliktad yung sikmura niya.
Lang.
So ayan, inuna natin yung Batwing space shot. Nakalimutan na yung isang show. 3 minutes lang yung show na yon. Sana may maabutan pa tayo. Dito lang siya sa Main Street. Madaming show naman, pero yun nga, ayokong may mamiss na show. Kasi, yun na nga lang yung magiging enjoyment ko dito. At hindi ako mahilig sa rides. Ayan, may show guys. This one is Somewhere Over the Rainbow. Live yan guys. Ang ganda niya, no? So ayan guys, tapos na yung Somewhere Over the Rainbow. Ang kasunod na show is yung Looney Tunes. So, panoorin natin. Mag-wait muna tayo kasi 10:45 siya. Then, kakatapos lang 10:38 yung Somewhere Over the Rainbow.
Nag-aayos na sila.
Yeah, nag-aayos na sila for Looney Tunes. So, let's see guys. So, mag-e-enjoy muna tayo sa mga shows kasi bumabaliktad na yung sikmura niya.
Medyo umaano yung sikmura ko.
At saka ito lang talaga yung magiging enjoyment ko dito sa
Hindi naman siya nakasakay kasi.
Yeah, sasakyan ko lang yung
Ako.
carousel.
Ako
Child lang.
Let's go here.
Ayan na. Mag-start na.
Ako lang guys yung sasakyan.
Looney Tunes. Diyan may Looney Tunes.
Hello and good
Apina!
Tweety. Hello, Tweety. Good morning.
Sweetie pie!
Wouldn't be Tweety without Sylvester. Here's that cheeky little cat. Next up, we have the one, the only Lola Bunny. And it wouldn't be a Looney Tune dance
They're so
without the
cute.
one, the only Bugs Bunny.
Bugs Bunny.
Come on out, Bugs Bunny. Once again, children, if you want to come under the rope and have a dance with our Looney Tunes, feel free. Come on, come all. I do just ask that this one.
Sana bata din ako para mahag ko sila.
Make you stay out the outside for me.
They're dancing now.
Bugs Bunny. Alright, moving on to Lola. What have you got for us? Here we go. 7, 8. Catch me. Oh, the surfing, of course. It wouldn't be the Gold Coast without a bit of surfing. Everyone chose Looney Tunes how you surf.
Okay, stunt driver. We're going to watch stunt driver. More on shows today.
Samahan na lang kita. Hindi mo ako masamahan niya. Ako na lang sasama sa'yo.
Oy, sinasamahan kita sa rides. So guys, we're here sa stunt driver 2, Hollywood stunt driver. So, mapanoorin natin yung mga tricks nila. Can you hear that? So, they currently taking clips. Then, siguro edit nila yun. Then, ipapalabas nila later on. Kumuha lang sila ng 3 persons sa crowd. Pero lahat ng crowd kasama pa din sa video. Let's see if ipapalabas sila later. There's someone riding. Oh, there's a python.
Get out of the vehicle and put your hands in the air. Not you, deputy. Now, where are you going in such a hurry, boy? My, the new City 500. Well, not today, you ain't. Turn around. Put your hands on the car. Not you, deputy.
Get moving, racers. Entry are about to close.
Move it, deputy. He's getting away.
with the stunt driver
Ganda.
too.
Enjoy ka ba?
Oo,
Ganda ng mga
grabe.
stunts.
Alam mo yun, yung mga napapanood lang natin sa movie, Hollywood movie.
Yeah.
Sa Fast and Furious, yung mga ganon. Grabe, ang galing. So, ayan, kakain muna kami, mag-dinner, mag-lunch
Lunch muna
muna
tayo.
kami. Early lunch actually. Bago ulit kami mag-ikot-ikot para may energy ulit. Medyo gutom na.
eh.
Dami na nagawa, dami na nasakyan eh. Bumalik na tayo sigura. So, tara, hanap tayo ng makakainan.
Yo.
So, ayan, dyan kami yung order. So, Dirty and Harry. And you ordered...
We ordered fish and chips and chicken wings at saka isang water. $46 agad. Medyo
Yeah.
mahal dito sa loob.
Bawal ka kasi magpasok dito ng water and foods or any snacks. Medicine pwede o kaya yung mga vegetarian. So, chine-check din naman nila. Pero just to be sure, wag na lang kayo magdala. Dito na lang kayo bumili sa loob.
Less hassle pa.
Yep. So, after natin kumain, mag-iikot-ikot ulit tayo. So, ayan, ang aming first meal here sa Movie World. Later, tignan pa natin kung ano yung mga meal na makakain namin.